Okay, let's start. So if you come in late, later you watch the recording. Okay, so I will go very fast. The first one, draw a tree. So you just highlight like this, and then you change the color, and then maybe like this, and then you change the shape, and then voila, this is my tree. Although it's very ugly, but it's still a tree. Okay, next, number 2. What I will do is I will highlight everything, and then double click. I will move my mouse to the edge between A and B. When my mouse cursor change to this shape, I will double click it so that it will change the size or become visible. Then I delete unwanted rows and column. Does anyone try the lovefirm.com? Whether this is a legit website or not? I haven't tried, honestly. Okay, by the way, then I change the font size and the color to black. Okay, one more time, double click. Okay, so okay, 12 and 15 need to delete the row. Okay, as then formula, this one equal first one plus second one. This one equal this one minus this one. Same equal. Okay, I will go very fast because this we discussed this on the last period. Okay, and then just use your keyboard. As long as you type equal and then you move your mouse cursor, then it will works. Enter. Okay, this one you highlight everything, you type alternate, enter. Then you alternate and enter together. Alternate, enter. Alternate, enter. And subtraction equal the first one minus the second one. Just use your keyboard. First one minus the second one equal first one minus the second one, and multiply equal first one multiply second one. Just use keyboard, it's a very fast way. Okay, equal this one divide 12 equal 150 divide 10 equal 49 divide 7 equal 84 divide 6 equal 1500 divide 30 equal 255 divide 5. So done. Task. Okay. January to February. So I will equal summation. Oops, summation becomes too meaningful. Summation first and second, and then equal average first and January and February. Okay, then highlight everything and click Autosum. You get the number here, and then equal max. Okay, and then equal mean. Okay, then you highlight everything and you drag until this. Okay, until task 1. I know I'm very fast, but I did the recording, so you can try watch the recording. By the way, until task 1, any question so far? And I hope you already submit because it's already due. But you're still able to submit. Remember to submit. Okay, I'm giving out the demerit. Okay, so now we have 28 out of 33. Okay, no question. Next, task 2. Equal price times the discount. But the discount we need to put absolute reference so that it won't change. And then equal price minus discount. And this is the answer. Equal prime price times discount. And then also change it to absolute link, absolute reference. Okay, which means don't change. Equal price minus discount. Okay, so done. And then this is Autosum. Equal maximum equal minimum, okay, equal average. So I have this, and then create a graph comparing discounted price for student and staff. So you need to merge this, okay? They must be in the same format since this is merged. So this one, if you want to create graph, they must merge together. So I need these 3 column data. So I highlight these 3 column. I go to insert, recommended chart, and I choose one of these. Can show the comparison between the new student price and new staff price. Okay. Next, equal, divide by 80, and then change this to percentage and drag it down. Okay, then I will put Autosum, that sum of the marks equal average, and then highlight those marks equal maximum, highlight those marks, and then equal minimum, highlight those marks. Okay, so I have 1030, 51.5, 80, and 5. Okay, then this one is equal 7 times 3. Okay, then this one you highlight, you put Autosum. So I have the answer here. Yes. Okay, then total point equal the first one times this one. But this one you need to put absolute because later it won't change effect for the second. And then times this one, but G5 also you need absolute. And why absolute we discussed on Monday, so I hope you still remember. And then times this, I also put an absolute link. Okay, so you drag it down and you get it. Okay, create a graph showing the total point for each team. So team, highlight total point, insert recommend chart. And then it doesn't say any chart. So I will use, let's say I put pie chart. It is a graph as well. Then you can choose whatever. Okay. Maybe this is good, maybe this is better, depends on what you use. Okay, it doesn't matter because it doesn't say anything. Okay. Okay, until task 4, do you have any question so far? I want to hear from you, not me, the one keep talking. Any question from you, Pastor?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. Task 5, total cost equal unit price times order. Okay. And then revenue is selling price by the item sold equal selling price times item sold. And then profit equal this one minus total cost. Okay, then equal maximum equal minimum equal average, and then equal summation. Okay, create a graph comparing total cost to, okay, so this one, and this one. Insert recommend chart and okay. So I have the total cost done. Okay, 6 A B C D E F G H. Okay, then let's say it says that we put a random number, so I will put rand between because I don't know what number to put. Let's say 50 to 100. Okay, so just drag it down, equal rand between 25 to 150. Okay, let's see, and I have this. Okay, so they will keep random. Okay, sales equal the price times summation of from Monday to Sunday. Okay, price times the summation from Monday to Sunday. So I have this equal price times summation from Monday to Sunday. Yes. Okay. So maximum equal maximum equal minimum equal average. Okay, just a repeat word. Okay, so okay, so equal maximum equal minimum equal average Okay, then drag it over. So I have this. Create a pie chart comparing the sales each day for your first game. So I will create this, but I don't want price. Okay, my first game, and then insert pie chart. So this is it. Okay, maybe I can put some numbers, and then create a pie chart comparing sales on your DVD. So you highlight DVD, and then each day. So you highlight this, and then insert pie chart again. So you get this. Okay, A and E. A is my DVD, E is my game. Okay. Okay. This one, just click Autosum, 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 and Autosum. Total sales, also click Autosum, then you get this. Easy, right? Okay, done. Create a bar chart comparing the quarter sales. So you highlight all the quarter sales, and then insert bar chart. This is called column chart. This is called bar chart. Horizontal is bar chart. Okay. Create a bar chart showing the sales for each month. So you highlight each month, insert bar chart again. So you get this. Okay, from January until December. So that's all for task 1, part 1. Stop recording.